Information and education material contained herein is meant to promote the general understanding and dialogue of Ganz's plasma balancing described
Such
herein
information is
are
not
natural meant or intended to serve as a substitute for a healthcare professional's clinical training,
within the center. All these universes as many planets and moons and whatever rotate around the sun, if you understood the totality. So the unicos rotates around one sun, which is the creator, the soul of the creator, where all the energy comes from. When you look at the drawing of the unicos, especially on the back of the third book, the center point is the creator. And the rest are on their own clusters of their own clusters of their own cluster. If you compare it to the soul of the man, your brain has its own soul, your kidney has its own soul, your heart has its own soul, and then within it, there are other sections, compartments of the fields of the strength to clean up the zinc, let's say, in your kidney, another part to clean up any vitamin D's, and another one. These become little galaxies. And then within the galaxies, then you have different tissues and the cells, and then become this like planetary system and whatever. But in fact, the essence of life of this cell in the kidney, which does certain job, is connected to the soul, which has been as a center. And that's the same. The whole universe evolves and fed by the soul of the creator within the center. All these universes are those clusters of kidneys and whatever different galaxies. You are a creator. When you're a mother, you're a creator of that child. But you can be no mother, but create a love for a child, and you still create of new emotion in that child.
Yes, I accept that. But
so,
if I'm a creator, I'm big. So I'm not
no,
given
who
from God.
says?
Creator is kind of power.
No. If you create a statue, do you have a power over a statue? Move, sit, move, left, right. We don't have that. What suits us to befit us and befit our emotion?
Yeah, because we say there is only one God.
And there are many gods.
Okay. And when you say my command is my wish is
it's my decision. It's my decision, and that'll be it. I decide, and that'll be it.
But can I say that also?
Yes.
My wish is my command.
You decide to go to the shop to buy the clothes, it's your command. You decide to go. If you sit, the clothes doesn't come from the shop to you, does it? Yeah?
Yeah. But it's not instantaneous. You know,
one is in the dimension of the soul, and one is in the dimension of physicality.
That's it. Yeah, that's it.
You just said there are many gods. Do you want to wait until next week to expand on that?
The God is us. Translation of the God as a creator, not translation of God as the big creator of everything. You understand? There is a philosophy which we come into it when man matures, even our creator as a creator. Otherwise, how was he created? You understand?
But where does that change stop? Does it stop?
It becomes us. It comes back to us to become them, to become us as what? As one.
Kind of like with the technology when you're feeding it back into yourself.
Yeah.